video. So as you know, in previous video we have seen how we can generate a pre-signed URL and we can play the video from S3 bucket in our website. Okay, so and here on that video we have also seen how we can create a player. Okay, I have updated a little bit of code in player. So now how does our player looks like? So if I go to watch now and if I click on watch, this is what our player looks like. Okay, if I show you while getting displayed one image. Okay, so this is what like our player look like. Okay, where we have kept skip option like backward we can go, forward volume, timer, and one timeline. Okay, after that speed we can see, after that HD and like in which quality the video is playing, after that like picture in picture and full screen. Okay, these things are there, and after that here is a title. Okay, these things we have kept here. So what update is there? Okay, like what I have updated, and like we have seen like I was using one iframe in previous video, but in this video we are using a video tag. Okay, so this is what the code looks like. I'm using a fluid player. Okay, this is an npm package. For this what I have done, if I show you, I've installed by the way two packages. Okay, and what are those packages? Let me show you. See let me see this is a package that I've used. I have just used npm install fluid player. Okay, nothing else. Okay, cool, perfect. And after that if I show you the code, I have imported this things. Okay, whatever is there, and after that I don't think if we have imported any styling for this. Let me see if there is any style. Okay, here is one styling. Okay, in my global.css I have imported the css. Okay, fluid css, the means this is there. I have just followed the official documentation of there, and I am here. Okay, after that I have provided some things here, and after that this is my final code. Okay, to achieve this player. Fine. So as we like in previous video we have discussed, in today's video our task will be how we can basically apply authentication. Okay, how we can authenticate the user. So let's get started. Okay, for that I will first of all what I will say, I will basically go to my my one project. Okay, I had one project. I will open that project and I will just copy paste. Okay, while like copying, like writing the whole code, I will just explain you what is there and how is everything working. Okay, so this is my first of all middleware.jsx file. Okay, I will first of all copy this file. Okay, and I will paste this file inside my src. Remember, inside my src, not app. Okay, I will paste it here, and now this is my middleware.jsx file. Okay, so see here will be authentication page will be there, and here will be one login page. Okay, so if a user is not authenticated, okay, so we will throw him to the this page. Okay, and now we don't have in this project routes. Okay, like API folder, so we will remove API one. Okay, and we will not use this. Okay, after that if starts with we don't have any API folder, so we don't require this. And this will be my final kind of middleware. Okay, so here what is saying, I'm calling one function like is authenticated from some other file. Okay, so I will go to my app. Okay, and I'm calling this file from app auth and is authenticated. Okay, so inside auth I have is authenticated file. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will copy this one file. Okay, and copy, I will show you the code by the way, like what is the code, how is everything working inside this. Okay, I will paste it here, and I have got this code here. Okay, cool, perfect. Now let me import this authenticated from the right place. Okay, currently it's not but let me import. So I will say basically is authenticated, and let me see whether I will get the suggestion, because I have in that file we have made by default. Okay, so I'm getting a suggestion and I have imported it. Correct, fine, cool. Now see now what they are saying, we want to show the is authenticated, so we don't want to show on our home page. Okay, or else we will show on home page also. After that this is our send in URL, and we are sending the request to the next path. Okay, cool. Now see now if I, this is my basically let me remove all the stuff for now. Okay, API one route I am removing. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what I'm saying here, if I show you right now, so this is my folder structure. Okay, if I come my is authenticated file, so this function I'm exporting first. Okay, I'm exporting this function. What this function is doing here, so this function is basically having like it is getting the request as an params, okay, and from params it is getting the cookies value which we will store in our local like cookies in our browser, okay, that will be user token on, okay. So we are like authenticating this token, okay, this is verify jwt, okay, and this is jwt. After that we here we are getting token and secret. Now in this process like in this one code we will authenticate the like our token, whether our token is valid or not, and after that we are we are basically like this base 64, this is our signature, okay. We are generating a signature for this, okay. You can pause the video and you can start coding, copy paste, it is nothing like nothing to know, okay. Cool, perfect. Now let me show whether I have json web token installed in my project or not. So if you have not installed yet json web token, so what you can do, npm I and json web token, okay, if you have not installed. So for now we are here, okay. Now what I will do right now, we will go to our login page, okay. So what I will do, uh, this is my another project, okay, and I will go to my auth and login, and this is my page.jsx, and this is my server, okay. Cool, perfect. So I will copy this one code line of code for now, okay. Or else what I will do, I will basically say to my gpt, okay. I will go to my chat gpt and I will say to it that create me a basic login page, okay. Create for me basic login page login page what can I say else here, login page UI should be too attractive, UI should be too attractive, and it should take username and password, okay. It should take user name and password, okay. Login basic login page in, we can say, in react, okay, in react. So this is what and now at this moment I can just hit enter, okay. Now let's come back to our project, and what I will do right now, I will come to my I will create here one folder with the name auth, okay. So auth, and inside my auth I will create one file folder with the name login, and inside my login I will create one file with the name page.jsx, and I will create here one folder with the name components, and inside my components I will create one file with the name login.jsx, and I will create here some new file login.module.css, okay. Perfect. Now cool, now see what do I need, I basically want that I let me get the code whatever the, okay. They are using some I can say basically they are using some styling component, but I don't require that, so let me see whether I'm using any npm package for any library. So I'm using axial buffer, file type file fluid json, next top loader. We are not using any library. Cool. So I can also say basically here I don't want to install any library, okay. So or else I can say basically here login form npm package in react, I can say, okay. Cool. So if there is any website which can do the task for me, so I think we will not go with the much more, we will just use chat gpt whatever it has provided us, okay. So I think we can copy this and we can directly paste it. So just come to our login page, and let us first see our styling part, how exactly our css is there, okay. Now what I will say, first of all here export, okay, export default let me get the suggestion, I will say default this will be an async function, okay. Async function because we will execute this one on server side, okay. Before coming to this route we will authenticate it from middleware, okay. Cool, perfect. So I will say login and params we don't have anything, and I will return from here basically my login page, okay, which is inside my inside my where, which is inside my components. Okay, so what I will do here, I will say login page and I will close it. Okay, now let's go to the page. Okay, and how our page will look like, I will say auth/login, and if I hit enter, so currently it is saying that page is not working. Why page is not working? Is it something? This is because of middleware. Okay, this is because of middleware. Is it so? So has it redirect us to somewhere? No, no. So if I format it, format document, so so data, of course we will not get any authentication, because of course we don't have shown anything. So continuously it will redirect us to this page. Okay, so what do I want? I don't want to implement my a middleware for auth/login. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what do I need? I want basically, okay, the page is refreshing and it is saying that if you are using use state, then make sure that you are uh, setting the value as use client. Okay, so I will set it to use client. Perfect. Now let's see how our page will look like if I refresh it right now. So it is currently compiling, and it has compiled, and our page looks somehow like this. I don't require this kind of page, but it is basic, it's fine even. So what do I need now next? I need basically background color should be some like I can say basically black. It's not even that much fine. Okay, so I will copy my css from here, and I will paste this css inside my login page. Okay, so I will remove all the like uh, commas from here. Okay, once these commas are removed, I will get rid from this. Okay, and there can be few more changes, and the changes are here. Okay, so this thing, after that this thing, okay, let me fix this css. Okay, I know this css is not looking that much cool, and now these are classes. Okay, so first of all these are classes, and let me do format document, and these are coming inside somehow like this. Or this will come somehow like this, means all the commas should be removed with this. Okay, this is so justify content, or I will say control k, fix this css. Okay, okay, cool. Now it has fixed my css, and the thing is that these are the classes. Okay, whatever is there, these are the classes, and I want to rename, like I want to add these as a class. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will just add dot at the beginning. Okay, so this is also a class. Title will also be a class, input will also be a class, buttons will also be in class, and when I hover on it, and the next is error message. Okay, so this is what our css will look like. And if I come to my login page, now I have removed my css from here. Okay, so I will say basically here import styles. Okay, styles from, I will say dot slash and login module dot cs. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what do I need next? We are seeing setting these styles. Okay, these styles. So what I want, of course these are now not style, these will be basically class name. Okay, so I will say basically class name. I will copy it, and let me copy paste fastly, because this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. Style, okay, and style, and error message style. After that background color. One sec, control z, e dot target, mouse over. Okay, fine, perfect. Let's see will we get our output or not. If I refresh it, cool, we are getting our output in the same manner. Okay, so fine. Now what do we do right now? See, we are not going to like style this right now that much, but one thing I want to do, which is looking too bad for to me, so, and that is I want to make its color as black first. Okay, I want to make its color as black. Okay, cool, perfect. So looking fine. Now next, see, I will come in next video, I will style it completely, it will look cool. Okay, now what if like if I am doing username, and now let's add some functionalities. Okay, so now we are adding an basic checks here, and set error, we are setting an error. After that we are sending this, okay, login, and redirecting to the other, we can say redirecting or other login after a login success. Okay, means we are redirecting to some other page when login is success. Okay, so what do I need right now? See, basically we need to use this line of code. Okay, so I will paste this code itself here. Okay, itself here. So I don't want to make it default first of all, and I don't need XUs here. I will tell you the reason why I don't need XUs. Okay, after that of course I need cookies, and these things I require. Okay, so I will do somehow like this, and this thing. Okay, cool, perfect. Now see, what is this doing? So this is a login function, okay, which I will be calling inside my login page. Okay, and this will execute on the server side basically. So this is my username. Okay, and this is my I'm getting here, I need to pass two things in my function. First is username and second is password. Okay, after that I'm not going to make any request for now. We will while when we will store the data in DBs now, we will check at that time, we will see at that time whether like how we will work with this. Okay, I can basically, let me do control Z. Okay, we will remove if conditions here also, and I will say format document. Okay, and perfect. Now we are saying root, I can say basically root user token. Okay, and now see, I have changed this. Okay, while login, login, I'm creating one token. Okay, and I am setting the, I'm getting this like authenticating token in here. Okay, so what you can see, we need to get cookies token. Okay, so I will paste this token here, root user token. Okay, fine, perfect. Now what next is there, we are getting like we are setting the value, and we are making sure that around 30 days we will validate the user. Like we want that user to be logged in within a 30 days. If he is using our website, then no need to log in again and again. Okay, cool, perfect. Now here's one catch. So I will copy this. So we don't have this data right now, correct? So what I will do, I am setting in my token. Okay, so what exactly does this, I want to generate a token here. Okay, so for that what I will say, so you can see this thing, this is a login API. Okay, which will help me to login, and inside my login, if I go here and login route.js, okay, so this will basically create a token for me. Okay, so if I copy this, and if I copy and if I paste it here. Okay, like I'm importing my JWT here. Okay, and if I create my token, like of course we need to create a token. So this will be my token, and I will this is my secret. Okay, so I will copy this line of code, and I will paste it here. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what do I need next? I want to set this data. Okay, this username and password, my bad that I have pasted there. I want to paste it here. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, and I want to set this token instead of like passing this is something like that. Okay, okay, cool, fine. Now I have generated a token. Okay, and like this is a secret key. Okay, for now I am keeping just this. Okay, and future, like when we are creating, I think in next video we will come with the DB structure, like login functionality, how we can achieve. Okay, so now here I have done this. So this will basically generate a token for me, and once my token is generated, I am just setting that token. Okay, I am just setting that token in my root user token. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what do I need, guys? I need to just hit the login button. Okay, now so if I show you right now, well, let's see, if I refresh, of course pages got it successfully refreshed. And if I come here and in my where in my under applications and in my local storage, you can see like I have token, I have this. If I like, let me delete everything from here. So I will say clear, and if I refresh, so you will see like I don't have anything. Okay, you can see our page is refreshed even, and we don't have anything. So let me log in. Okay, let me log in. Of course we are not going to keep anything. Okay, we have not done any checks. So we are getting an error. Okay, let's figure it out what is an error. Okay, So it is saying that cannot read the property of reading background color. Okay, it is why is it so? Let's figure out. So if I come to my login.jsx and here is saying on mouse out mouse in. Okay, we don't require this first of all. Okay, cool, perfect. So what do I, if I refresh it right now, I hope we will not get any error. Okay, cool, perfect. Now, okay, cool, perfect. Now if I refresh it and if I come to my applications and cookies, we don't have anything. And if I type a random value and if I click on login, okay, so do we get any error? Do we get any error? Oh yes, not exactly error, not exactly error. The thing is that we are not calling our function. We are not calling this login function anywhere. Okay, so let's call this function. Okay, so first of all, I will make it an async function. Okay, like async, and this will be an async. After that, what I need when I am basically, so this is what. Okay, if everything is fine now, I want to say const data is equals to await. Okay, and await and login function. Okay, and I will say basically this thing. Now from here I need to send two things. Okay, first is username and second is password. Okay, so these two things I need to send. If I come here and if I refresh right now, of course in my cookies I don't have anything. I'll let the page get refreshed. Okay, and at a moment, what a sec. Okay, our page got refreshed. Okay, so now if I type anything and if I click on login, so you can see that we have got it a root user token. Okay, inside my cookies. Cool, fine. Now what next? We want when when user is coming to let me show you home. Okay, let if user is coming to slash home. Okay, and if he is not logged in, then we should say throw him to like we don't want that he should use he should access our home page. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what do I need? I will come in my middleware and I will add this home here. Okay, so I will say basically one sec. I will say basically one sec somehow like this, and I will say slash home. If anyone is coming to slash home page now, then what do you need to do? First of all, you need to go to middleware. Okay, and inside here, so see if what is going here, if our data like if our user is authenticated, then he will come in here. Okay, if he is not authenticated, then he will redirect to the login page. Okay, now let's see if I what we are error we are getting. Okay, this is nothing. If I refresh it, uh, if I if I refresh it, what happened? Okay, our server got stopped. Okay, our server got stopped. Okay, now let me refresh. Okay, let me see, is it compiling? Okay, like a middleware has been compiled and it is it is redirecting me to some page or slash home. This is compiling auth slash login, means we are not authenticated. Okay, cool, fine. Okay, this has thrown me on login page. If I see if I am, why is it so? We will figure it out, but our middleware is working. Okay, it is throwing me on if I am trying to access my home page now. See, if I am hitting enter, it is throwing me on auth page, like login auth. Okay, okay, cool, perfect. Now what next is there? Now what error do we are facing? See, it is saying that we are getting here falsy value. Okay, so let's console the data. Okay, so I will say console.log data. Okay, cool, perfect. Now let me refresh it. Okay, and I will go to my slash home. So okay, inside my I have got the false value. Okay, why this false value I have got it? Let's see. Okay, so what do I will do right now? I will copy this and I will basically paste my request. Okay, and I will verify like whether I am getting my token here or not. Okay, now one more thing, the thing is that why we are getting false value, because we have changed the like security key. Here is something and there is something, so we need to make sure that of course this key will come from env file. Of course it will not come from here. Okay, so what do I need right now? I want that while checking now, you need to check on this security, like this one token. So we need to change the our security key also. Okay, it's basically a secret key, a random value, anything it can be. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what do I need? I need to come in my middleware and let me open. Now let me see my data, okay, like what data I am getting, okay. And if I come here and if I again come to my slash home and if I hit enter, we should able to access our home page. Okay, cool, perfect. Now because you can see we are getting a true value. Okay, fine. Now what do I need next? I want to clear this value, means I not want anything to be in my cookies. I will clear my localhost, like I've deleted my all the cookies, and now you can see I am redirected to my login page. If I again log in, see if I again try to go to my slash home, okay, and if I copy this and try to open it in new tab, okay, see I'm using a new tab, and if I hit enter, it is throwing me to the login page. I am not able to access home page. Okay, cool, perfect, this is working fine, great. Now next what do I need? I want that let me log in first, okay, let me log in first, and let me log in. Okay, now I have logged in, okay. And next what I need, okay, let's refresh it, or let's move to our home page. Okay, let's move to our home page. Okay, now I'm able to access. By the way, we will add redirections also. Once we have successfully logged in, we will redirect from server side to some other page. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what do I need right now? We are here, okay, perfect, fine. On this page we have applied authentication. Okay, cool, fine. Now next what I want to apply authentication or are all the pages. Okay, if I come here and and now you can see if a user is not authenticated also, even then he can access this page. Okay, we don't want this thing to happen. We want that if user is not authenticated, then he should not be able to access. Wait a sec, page is loading, it's taking a long time. Why is it so? uh, okay, it has compiled. Okay, we have got it here. Now what we want, I don't want that this page to be accessed by any of the user. Okay, any of the user means any of the user. So for this what I will do, I will basically add one thing, and the thing is what, I will say whatever the path is there after this now, I not want to access this. Okay, so if I refresh it right now, of course I can access it because I have, wait a sec, wait a sec, unexpected 2 stars will not come, is it so? Okay, invalid route middleware modified. Okay, cool. And now it's starting the server. Let me reload it, and again our server got stopped. Okay, cool, perfect, not an issue. Now what I will do right now, I will just follow the official documentation. Okay, so I will say Next.js, okay, next org, and I will come to the docs and I will search here middleware. Okay, so I will say middleware, and we will scroll a little bit. Okay, and now next what do I need? What do I need? Let's read a little bit. Okay, now you can include name parameters slash about slash colon path. Okay, and matches slash a comma b and this comma c, but not this. But not this. But not this. Okay. Okay, by the way, we need for now we need this thing. Okay, for now we need this thing. We will remove this thing from here, and we will once say control z, and let me do it somehow like this. Okay, and this will be home. Okay, this will be home, and whatever the path is there. Now if I come here and let me first of all start the server. Okay, now my server is started, and if I refresh it, till then page is loading. Let's wait, and now you can, now if we read further, okay, you can modify the name starting with this uh, because star is 0 and colon is this. You can regular expression enclosed a parenthesis about slash and round bracket dot this is the same as this. Okay, are we using we are not using any star. Okay, cool, perfect, not an issue, fine. Now next what do we need? So first of all we will see our page is not yet loaded. Is it compiling? Yes, it is compiled even now. Okay, cool. We are able to be here on this path. Okay, on this page. Now here they are saying you can kept here a star. Okay, and if I hope our server is not like closed for this. Okay, our server is not closed, fine, perfect. And if I go to my back slash home. Okay, this was the slash home, and I think it is compiling our slash home page. Okay, yes, compilation done, and but the page is not loaded. Okay, not an issue, and it is saying not an issue. We will reload it. Okay, fine, we have got it the data. Okay, and if I do right now, watch now, then we are getting this now. What I will do, I will open my slash home page here. Okay, this is my slash home page, this is my this, and I will open this in new tab. Okay, like we have created 3 page which we want to apply. Okay, where first is where, like, first is our home page, second is our detail of that particular movie page, third is this. Okay, cool, perfect. Now of course we are able to access that access this right now, correct? Now what do we need right now? We need that basically we shouldn't be able to access this page if user is logged out. Okay, so right now what we will do, we will clear the values. Okay, we will clear the values. If I delete the data, okay, if I do it done, and if I reload it, I should go to login page. Okay, now let's see what exactly is going behind. So it's compiling the login code. Okay, so our page is loading. Okay, and we will wait for a while till the page is loading. Okay, cool, our page is successfully loaded. Now next, what do we need? We will see basically to our this particular movie detailed page, whether if I reload this, so of course this page is also authenticated, and we are able to access this page, and means we are not able to access this page if user is unauthenticated. Now what if I refresh this? Of course this is also not working, means at any cost, if user want to watch like user want to access these pages, he need to be authenticated. Okay, anyone cannot access this. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what do I need next? I need basically what do I need? Let's log in the user. Okay, let's log in the user, and if I log in it, and if I go back to my to my home page, this was home now. Yes, this is a home page, we are able to access home page. Now let me close these 2 tabs. Watch now one able to access, and watch now able to access. Cool, perfect. Our middleware is successfully working, guys, and I hope you understand like how exactly the middleware will work. And like if I tell you now, this is advanced middleware logic. What I'm saying, advanced middleware logic. So like in a previous video, like in previous third to fourth video, we have created one more page, and that is admin page. Did you remember, guys? If I show you admin, do you remember this page? This is an admin page. Okay, let me load. Okay, here like we will able to show all the movies whatever are there. Okay, if I refresh, these images are not loaded. Why is it so? Why is it so? Not an issue, we will figure it out later. Okay, so I not want that anyone can access this page. Okay, what does it mean? It means that any user who have logged in shouldn't be able to access our admin page. Okay, so of course we will apply middleware for that. So I will copy this middleware. Okay, copy this middleware file. Okay, and I will paste it inside this auth. Okay, auth, or I will say basically I will paste it inside admin. Okay, I will paste it inside admin, and at this time now I will change the basically secret key. Okay, I will say basically this is a admin secret key. Okay, this is an admin secret key. So something like this, and after that what I will say, what I will say, while login I will make sure that where is my login page? So this is my login page. Okay, so you can see I'm setting this user as token as a root user token. Okay, so now here I can set this admin root user token. Okay, so this will be my admin root user token, so I will paste it here, and now what I will say basically, this is my admin, and I can easily say inside my is authenticated and secret key is here, and I need this thing here. Okay, admin root user token. Okay, cool, fine. Now what do I need? See, if this is I need to send this request here. Okay, so so I will come to my middleware, and I need to import this middleware here. Okay, so first of all let me change the name. Okay, I will come to my at is authenticated. Okay, and let me change the function name is admin authenticated. Okay, by the way guys, this cannot be hacked by anyone. This is one factor. Like I used to use only Next.js. I prefer Next.js. I don't never use any other framework, React or something else. So I will say this thing from dot slash app. Of course it's inside app, and slash admin slash is authenticated. Okay, cool, fine. Now I will copy this, and I will basically do what will I do? I will say basically const admin verify. Okay, admin verify is equals to await. I will say await, and I can say await, and after that what will I say basically? Mm, 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 this function name, and I will call this. Okay, and I will pass inside this request. Okay, this request. Okay, cool, perfect. Now here I will get two things. Like I can get basically this is logged in or not logged in. Okay, two possibilities will be there only. So I will make one if condition here now. Okay, one if condition and one like if and else condition. Okay, basically else. Cool, perfect. Now I will say if this is an admin. Okay, if this is an admin, now what should I do? If this is not an admin, then what should I do? So first of all we will register inside our middleware our admin panel also. So I will say slash admin. Okay, slash admin, and next what I will say, if this is not an admin, okay, then execute this one thing whatever is there. Okay, if this is an admin, then what you need to do, you need to do this thing. If not this thing, not if this is a true. Okay, and path starts with if okay, if a path starts with, okay, so I will say basically url path control c, and I will say if url path dot starts, one sec, str starts with, okay, starts with slash admin. Okay, so I want to do this thing, else I will throw the user to slash page. Okay, slash page. So I will say else means like user is authenticated, and I want to throw the user to slash admin page. Okay, if user is not on admin page, so I will say admin. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next I need, I want to say, okay, cool, you can proceed to the next, you are on the right place. Okay, so I will say you can proceed to the next. So if I say, if I refresh it right now, I should get something. Okay, our admin is not. So what is this? Okay, one sec. I will say debug. Okay, we were doing some mistake. Okay, cool, perfect. Now let me first of all start the server, and this is one issue guys, like you will face, of course, if you're working with middleware. Now if anything error happens in middleware, it directly shut down our server. Okay, you need to work with this somehow like this. Okay, now it will throw us on which page? If of course it will throw us on login page. Why login page? Let's see. So we have able to access our admin panel, but how we have not set any token inside our let's see, control click, and this is our token, admin token. Okay, fine, we don't have any token. This is our secret key, and payload we are returning false. Fine. Now let is our admin is there, admin is there, admin is there, and we are sending the admin await, and request we are getting. If it is true, means authenticated, then we are coming inside this, else we are saying this. Then how can this be possible? How can user be logged in? What we are getting here, what we are getting here, let's see, console.log control v, and let's refresh the page. Okay, so we are getting falsy value. So if this is false, of course we will not come able to come here and 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 okay, at a time user is authenticated. Okay, but we are saying that move to this. Okay, move to next. Now we need to make sure and control C, redirect to slash. Okay, so slash will again authenticate, by the way. So uh, we will make here if um, and control V. If this starts with this, then we will throw the user to this one page slash home. Why home? Because I will tell you. See, here we are authenticating a user with normal token, and if that is true, means user is authenticated, but he is trying to access our admin panel. We not want that thing. If he is trying to access our admin panel na, so we will throw him to the home page. That move to home page. You are not the right person. Okay, cool, perfect. Now next we are saying if user is not authenticated, throw him to the login page. Okay, cool, perfect, fine. Now if I refresh it right now, let's see what will be there. Okay, I have refreshed it and it has thrown me on home page instead of admin. If I try to even access our admin page now, I'm not able to access this. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next? What if I have logged in with our token of that? Okay, first of all, let me clear the data. Okay, let me clear the data, and okay, and I will say reload. Cool, my token, like my data is clear from my local storage. Okay, means the cookies. Okay, and if you come to my auth and page.jsx, and I'm setting it as an admin root user. Okay, and if I do this and if I say login, so I have logged in right now. Okay, and if I go to my home page, okay, by the way, at this moment I have logged in with my admin user. Okay, if I hit enter, I should, what is there, admin, I'm not able to access my admin panel. First of all, why is it so? Let's see. We are setting this token. Okay, and first of all, let me come to my middleware, and let's see. We are getting falsy value that admin is not authenticated. Okay, okay, we are getting falsy value, by the way. If I again go to my home page, we are getting falsy value. Okay, cool, fine. Let me try to log in. Do we are getting any error? No. And let me see in my token, do we have saved our token? So admin root user we have saved. Perfect, fine. If I go to my home page and if I hit enter, we are again getting falsy value. Why is it so? Is there role of any secret key? Yeah, correct, I remember there is a role of secret key. So as you know, like while authenticating, so this is my secret key. Okay, we are generating this, not here, not here, not here, not here, where we are logging. Here we are logging user. Okay, so where is our secret key? This is our secret key. Okay, so let's change this secret key to my admin secret. Okay, so let's say admin secret key. Okay, and need to change this while verifying also. Okay, so and inside admin, and this is my key. Okay, cool, perfect. So we are here, and if I refresh it right now and let me clear the value and let me delete it, and done, reload it. Perfect. If I try to access my home, I will not be able to access my home page. Okay, of course not able to access. If I do somehow like this, and currently at a moment we are logging in with admin. Okay, now you can see I have logged in. Okay, means data is saved. I know we are not showing any message, but data is saved. I can go to home page. See, if I'm trying to access my home page now, I'm thrown to my admin panel. This is an admin user, so we can't authenticate you with this. Okay, now what if I try to log in with the normal user? Okay, so I will come here and I will copy this and let me log in with normal user. Okay, so this is my login normal user token. Okay, if I refresh it right now, means let me clear first data. Okay, let me clear the data, reload, and if I try to access admin, it has thrown to me to the login page. Cool, perfect. If I say login, it has logged in me, and if I try to access right now admin, where it will throw, let's see, again it is throwing us to this page. Okay, not. Let's see. Do we have anything in our cookies? So we have root user token. Okay, we have this. We have our token. So let's say home. Okay, we are not able to get home. So at this moment, if I hit this, we have user token. Oh, my bad. My bad, guys. My bad. The thing is secret token, secret key. Okay, this is our secret key, correct? So we want this secret key to be used while logging the user. Okay, but at a moment, see, this will be handled in DB. Okay, at a moment we are setting the admin secret key. We need a normal secret key for now because we are authenticating user with a normal key. Okay, so this will be our login key. Okay, and if I type right now and if I hit enter, okay, our token is generated, and if I move to my home page, okay, I will be able to access the data. Okay, so if I, okay, you can see if I go to my home page, I will be able to access every pages. Cool, perfect, guys. Hope you have seen, and I know you have completely understand how we can use middleware in our project. Okay, and hope you don't have any issue. And after this video, like I have shown you in this video the real challenges and the problem which we have faced, and I have not edited this video anymore, like, okay, and this video is completely just recorded and just uploaded, nothing else. Okay, cool, thanks guys. And in next video, what we will do in next video, so in next video we will basically like I will add a few more movies, and after that what I will do after that, we will basically add, like I will add few more movies, and in next video we will see on our homepage, you know, like on our watch now. Okay, uh, let the page load, it's taking a long time. Why is it compiling? Let's see why is it. Okay, this is compiling. Once we have created a build, then it will not take that much time. Okay, cool, perfect, fine, let's wait. Okay, fine, it has compiled, and we are here. Okay, now on this page now we will show some data of this user. Okay, and some related kind of movies. Okay, and next one more thing, guys, but in next video we will see how user can log in. Okay, like if he's an admin, then how he can, if he's a normal user, then how he can. Okay, cool. So thank you guys, hope you enjoyed, and in next video will be too awesome how we can use an authentication and with advanced middleware, and we will see on the basis of admin side and normal user side. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you.